Good morning, grade 1-2. It is week 4 of home learning, and this morning I thought I might take you through one of our writing prompts to show you how you might be able to complete that work in your pack. Now, this story today is going to be about a butterfly. Now, I know at my house, I have a bush at my house and it is filled with orange and black butterflies. Now, these butterflies are really quite easy to get close to, and I've taken some lovely photos of them before. But this butterfly here is called a monarch butterfly. And I thought maybe we could go through our writing prompt today and I could show you maybe how you could write your story about the butterfly. Now, this butterfly here says, a butterfly flew around and landed on a, where could a butterfly land? Could it land on a roller coaster? Could it land on an ice cream? Where could a butterfly land in the garden? How about we think about what's in our garden and the things that a butterfly could land on? I'm thinking maybe a flower. I'm thinking maybe a butterfly could land on the grass. Maybe a butterfly could land on your finger. So the first thing we could write is a butterfly flew around and landed on a, let's write flower. And that's the first part of our writing done. We have finished that sentence and now we need to write some more about this butterfly. And that's where these questions come in down the bottom here. The first question says, what colour is this butterfly? Well, this butterfly is orange and black. So we could say a sentence that might say, the butterfly was a beautiful orange and black colour. We might say, the wings of the butterfly were orange and black. That's another sentence we could write. The second question is, we've already answered. It says, where did it land? And we've said that it landed on a flower. But you might say it lands on the grass. You might say it landed on your finger. You might say it landed on the car. Who knows? I'm not sure. It could even land on your nose. And the last question says, what do butterflies eat? Now, I had to think about this, and I don't think I've seen a butterfly eat anything, but I know that they taste with their feet. So inside the middle of flowers, there is pollen and sap, and I think that's what butterflies eat. So maybe we could write a sentence about the color of the butterfly and also what the butterfly eats. So let's have a go now. We've got here our sentence. A butterfly flew around and landed on a flower. Let's have a look. The orange and black butterfly ate the pollen. Remember, we're talking about the yellow pollen. The pollen from the middle of the flower. I wonder if there's a way we could finish our story now. We've said that it landed on a flower, we've said its colour, and we've said what it was doing on the flower. What happens when a butterfly is finished? What happens if you walk close to a butterfly? What do you think might happen then? You're right, the butterfly would fly away. So let's finish our story by saying that the butterfly flew quickly away. Let's write that. The butterfly flew quickly away. And there we go. We've got a start of our story, we've got a middle part of our story, and now we have an ending of our story. A butterfly flew around and landed on a flower. The orange and black butterfly ate the pollen from the middle of the flower. The butterfly flew quickly away. And that is how we've written our story today. So when you are doing your writing, have a look at the picture. Have a look at the sentence that we need to write first. We need to copy that first part of the sentence down as our starting sentence. And then we need to look at the questions and think, how can these questions help us answer the rest of our story? So I want you to have a go today about the butterfly. I want you to write a story about the butterfly, and maybe you'd like to share with me through a photo or an email. You can share with me your story of the butterfly. Have a great day, guys. See you later.